Okay guys, in this video we are going to see how we can generate the ElevenLab API key as well as the voice ID. First of all, we will see how we can create the account on ElevenLab and then how we can extract the API key as well as voice ID. First of all, just come on Google and write ElevenLabs and then you will find this website. I will provide the link in the description box as well. So you just click on try for free and you can sign up with Google or you can provide a simple email and password. Once you will land here, you can sign up. Simply click on sign up with Google and just sign up with this one. And once you will sign up on this account, then you will land on the ElevenLabs uh, onboarding steps. So you can select like the themes, light or dark. I'm going with light, and then you can simply type your name and like I'm going to type this one. What's your date of birth? You can type the month and the year. So click on next. Once you will click on, you can select where you hear about the ElevenLabs, and like we can select YouTube, and which one describes you the best? The personal use. What kind of personal use you fun studying, reading others studying? What would you like to do with ElevenLab? So I'm going to select like text to speak. You can select any option as per your requirement, like audiobook, conversation AI, podcast, sound effects, voiceover, voice cloning, etc. So you can select text to speech and then get started. Once you will complete all the onboarding steps, then you will simply land on the dashboard. Once you will land on the dashboard, then here you can go and you will find the API key. So once you will open this, you will see you have 10,000 free credit, so you can use this API key until this will not be ended. So once you will click on API key and click on generate API key and give any name of this API key, then it will simply generate the API key for you. So you can copy the API key from there. And the next step is you can go in voices and you will find all the voices here, like you can see. And here is some filter like trending one, latest, most users, character uses, and then filters, and you can select any language preference or you can select any accent as you want to, like the quality, gender, age, noise period, custom rates, all of the filter you can select. And once you will select, then all the voice will be landed here, right? So you can also click on any voice and play this voice and check, like this one. So for example, I want to get this voice ID and I want to use this voice. So simply you can click on this menu option and you can copy voice ID or copy voice link. So we need a voice ID. So with this way we can simply get a voice ID and the API key. Hope so. Now you can easily extract the API key and voice ID from the ElevenLabs and use as per your requirements. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe.